In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Discover Credit Card online. Quick tutorial. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Discover, then look for the official result that reads Discover, Personal Banking, Credit Cards, and Loans. Before you click, double check that the web address is the official discover.com and that you see a secure padlock icon in the address bar. That helps you avoid lookalike sites and keeps your information safe. Once you're on the Discover homepage, head to the All Products section. On a computer, you'll typically find this near the top of the page. If you're on a phone or tablet, you may need to tap the menu icon to reveal it. From there, select Credit Cards. This takes you to the area focused on card services, which is where the login option is easiest to find. On the Credit Cards page, locate the login option. It's usually at the top right or in the site header. Click it to open the sign-in form. Take a moment to confirm you're still on the official site before entering anything sensitive. Now enter your user ID. Type it carefully, paying attention to any capitalization or special characters you may have set when you created it. If you tend to mistype, slow down and verify each character. Avoid copying and pasting from notes if they might include extra spaces. Next, enter your password. Make sure caps lock isn't on and watch for autofill. That might insert an old password by mistake. If the page offers a show or hide password toggle, using it briefly can help you confirm you've typed everything correctly. As a good security practice, do this only on a device you trust and on a secure network. When both fields look correct, click the Login button. If Discover asks for additional verification, such as a one-time code, just follow the on-screen prompts. That extra step helps protect your account, especially if you're signing in from a new device or location. Once you're signed in, you should see your account overview with balances, recent activity, and payment options. If you have trouble signing in, check that you're on the official site, your credentials are up to date, and your internet connection is stable. Many login pages also include links to recover a user ID or reset a password if needed. To recap, search for Discover, open the official site, go to All Products, choose Credit Cards, select Login, enter your user ID and password, and click Log In. For next time, consider bookmarking the official login page to save time and reduce the chance of landing on the wrong site.